Could a keyboard truly be everything you want it to be, right out of the box, and still let you change your mind later? Keychron thinks so with their new V6, and after spending some time with it, I'm genuinely impressed. This isn't just another full-size mechanical keyboard, it's a canvas for your perfect typing experience. Right away, the V6 makes a statement. It's a substantial, wired board, built with a focus on customization and a premium feel. Keychron has packed it with features that usually require a lot more effort or a much higher price tag. We're talking full QMK and VIA support, which means every single key, including that handy knob, can be remapped, programmed with macros, or even have its backlight effects tweaked to your heart's content. The open-source firmware truly unlocks endless possibilities, making this a dream for anyone who loves to fine-tune their setup. But the customization doesn't stop at software. This V6 is fully hot swappable. That means if the pre-lubed Keychron K Pro Brown switches, which offer a really satisfying tactile bump and a smooth press, aren't quite your jam, you can pop them out and swap in almost any 3-pin or 5-pin MX switch on the market, Cherry, Gaterin, Kyle, you name it, all without touching a soldering iron. That's a huge win for enthusiasts and newcomers alike. Keychron also paid attention to the details that elevate the typing experience. The double-shot PBT keycaps, in their unique OSA profile, feel fantastic under the fingers. They're durable, oil-resistant, and just have a comfortable, sculpted feel. Beneath those, an acoustic silicone pad works wonders to dampen sound, giving the board a much more refined and less hollow sound profile. Even the PCB-mounted screw-in stabilizers for the larger keys like the space bar and shift are pre-lubed, ensuring minimal wobbliness and a wonderfully smooth action. It's these small touches that make a big difference. For those who jump between operating systems, the V6 is a godsend. It's built with Mac users in mind, featuring a system toggle and an additional set of keycaps specifically for macOS, while still maintaining full compatibility with Windows and Linux. You can even save 2 different layouts, one for each system, which is incredibly convenient. And let's not forget the south-facing RGB backlight. It illuminates the board beautifully from the typist's perspective, and crucially, avoids interference if you decide to install Cherry Profile keycaps later on. The Keychron V6 isn't just a keyboard, it's a statement about what a full-size, custom mechanical keyboard can be. It delivers an exceptional typing experience right out of the box, yet offers an unparalleled level of customization for those who want to make it truly their own. If you're looking for a robust, feature-rich, and incredibly versatile full-size board that feels premium without breaking the bank, the V6 is an amazing contender.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.